Okay, so let us add the LOL token that Match Quest just gave. Let us add the token to my wallet, since we do not have it on the wallet yet. Right now it's not on the wallet. If you check through all the tokens there, it is not on the wallet. So let us add it. All right, or let me just check. Let's change from all mainnet. Let's change to match chain, because the token is on match chain. So let's see if it will show. What we are seeing here, it's only BNB that is showing 0. All right, so that's not a problem. How do we add a token? So there is this here that you see, there's DeFi, there is NFTs, there's tools. Go to tokens. There's this plus sign beside the search icon, a small plus sign there that is in a circle. You click on it, you go to search for tokens. Now, I specifically left it at match chain, the network. I left it, specifically left it at match chain, so that it's only match chain tokens that will show. So let's start with searching with the token name. Let's see if it will come up. All right, so it did not show up. All right. Okay, so what do? We go and get the contract address for the LOL token from Match. Yes, MatchQuest posted the contract address earlier, so we'll go and get it. Where is it? All right, here. Okay, so let us. Okay, this is the contract address. Let us copy the contract address. Now we'll go back to Bitget wallet. We'll paste it here. Paste to search. Let's see. Look at here, it is here now. All right, so you click on the small plus by the side to add it to your wallet. All right, so now you go back. If you click back, you've already added token. You will see it now showing. All right, so that's how you see it in your wallet. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more. Thank you. Share this video to your friends, to your family, so we can do more and more of this. Thank you very much.